guys, so welcome to my final video of my Halloween stash series. I hope you all enjoyed these little videos that I've been putting out every day. I know they're not super long. I've heard that some of you actually like quick videos like this, so I hope you've really been enjoying them. It's funny because these little videos are just a glimpse into like what I have. I have this big bin that's in my closet of Halloween crafty stuff that I haven't even put out yet. So I'm trying not to make my little craft desk or craft area look like I own a Halloween store, even though I would personally love it. So I got these at IKEA this year and they were actually kind of cheap. I believe they were $3. Don't quote me, I'm not sure. But they were less than $5 and you got, I believe, 4 in each pack. And I saw them, I've always wanted them. I figured I could put all my Halloween little knickknacks and things inside. So that's what I'm gonna be sharing with you today. And you'll notice that I filled some of these up with things that I got this year. So for instance, these acrylic spiders that I picked up at Michael's. There is actually, when you buy this tub, it comes with a mix of spiders and bats. And I didn't know, all I saw was the spiders. And when I looked inside, I'm like, oh, it comes with little bats. Second, I have my Halloween charms. I usually use these for my TNs, but I got a big bag of them on, I believe it was eBay, and I still have some. I even have like some that I got from like Effie that I'm hoarding because I love them, are these little skeletons. So yeah, so I have those. I have some Halloween pom-poms from Dollar Tree. So over here I have these pumpkin bells that I had gotten from Joann's, I believe. And I love them so much. These I picked up on Etsy and I went back to see if they had any this year and they didn't. I also had little bats, little black bats, but I ran out of the bats. These are all I have are these ghosts, so I'm hoarding them. So over here I have these bones. Again, this is from that table scatter. So this is what they look like. So over here I have this mix of Halloween buttons. I've had this for years. I got these at Joann's. I don't know if they still carry them, but I just love them. They're so adorable. Well, in this one I just have more bones. This one is more the table scatter from Michael's, and I think they might actually have these again this year. This is all I have left, so I think I'm gonna go and stock up again. They look like sugared candy corns, and I know some people don't like candy corn, but I love it. And then over here I have more buttons. And then in this one, I just have these little foam pumpkin stickers. I have to fill this up more, but yeah, I haven't seen any of the Creatology stuff yet for Michael's, because that's what this was in. That's where I found these, in that Creatology section. So I didn't see anything when I went, but I have to go back and look some more. I'm trying to hold off because I can't like look and see things that I want because they're not on sale yet. When they're on sale, then I will allow myself to go and like buy things. I'm not gonna pay for stickers that are $3.99 that I know in a couple weeks are gonna be 40, maybe even 50% off. So I'm just gonna wait until I'm able to like go in there when there's a sale and I can just go crazy. So here are the little bats. This is my last little jar, but I sorted out all the little bats and they're so cute. So I hope you enjoyed this quick video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys and I will talk to you really soon.